Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
President Bola Tinubu's spokesperson, Dele Alake, has said that the president's ministerial list is not ready. The special advisor to the president on special duties, communications and strategy made this known during a briefing with journalists at the State House in Abuja. Alake urged Nigerians to disregard the rumors surrounding the awaited ministerial list. SA to President on Special Duties, Communications and Strategy. Tinubu, having been sworn in as President on May 29, 2023, is expected to submit his ministerial list to the states before 29 July. Meanwhile, Thursday was such a busy day for Tinubu as the President assents for 4 executive orders deferring and suspending the commencement of certain taxes paid by companies in Nigeria. Amaka Anyanwu, Face TV Africa.
Simple truth is that this is an executive presidency. It's not. We are not running a parliamentary system. So the president, the buck stops on his table, and he decides when it's fit and proper for him to make his cabinet list known. We are not unaware of all the speculations and innuendos and rumors, all kinds of things in the media. But I, as a media man, I chuckle to myself that people want to sell. So they just fabricate. I can tell you all of those things you've been reading in the media are mere fabrications. There is no iota of truth in all of those things. When the president is good and ready, you will be the first to know about his intentions.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV Muswobi.